Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender can overview the appraisal orders that are assigned to that specific appraiser. So, before we dive into, there are two ways that you can view all the appraisal orders list. The first one, as you can see currently, we are on the dashboard of the user Thomas, who is an appraiser. So as you can see, there are the appraisal orders that are recently over here. So they are all the top one are listed on the top that requires any actions or they're completed in last few days. So you can click on this view all button. It will take you to the appraisals order page, or you can use this side menu bar and click on the appraisal orders, and it will take you to all the appraisal orders list page. Here you can view all the appraisal orders that has been assigned to you and all the activities you have performed on this specific appraisal orders. So for this, we can click on this appraisal order. As you can see, it says that it is in progress and an acceptance is needed. So when you click on this appraisal order, okay, so before we dive into, I would like to give you a short, brief description of what happens in the background. So basically, a customer, either it's a lender or a private client, it's a private client, they create an appraisal order. They define the descriptions of all that appraisal order, and then they send it for review. And the AMC and their person who are responsible for the review, they review that appraisal order. If they find anything is missing or they need some fixes, so they send it back again for fixes. If it's perfect, they accept it and the payment has been paid. So after that, the operational admin of the AMC system, they assign the appraisal order to best suitable who is for that specific appraisal order. It depends on different conditions, like for this which state you are, which type of appraisal order do you do, and all these things are kept in mind. So when an appraisal order is assigned, what you can do. So as you can see, this is the name of that specific reference name, and all the other order information you can see over here, such as the order information, the property details, the loan information, the borrower, the property owner details, the additional context, the platform information, and the documents that have been uploaded. So these are different tabs such as the overview, the documents tab. Here you can see the documents, and then there is an inspection tab. So as you can see currently, it says that the acceptance as the accept the assignment first to schedule an inspection. So as you can see on the top, there are three buttons and there is something says new assignment pending. So these are the actions that are required by the appraiser that they have to do. So we have a separate video on this, that what actions they can perform and what happens against each action. So for this video, we have seen about an appraisal order and what are the basic things of an appraisal order. And when we move back to the main screen, we can see that there are different statuses such as in progress, review, customer revised, revision requested or completed. So what happened is that there are order number, order name, the status, the payment status, the due date, and service fees that you are required for that specific appraisal order. There are different types of status. For example, this one says that acceptance is needed, which means it requires an acceptance from the appraiser to perform the further activities. This says that inspection scheduling is needed, means an appraiser has accepted this assignment and now they need to schedule an inspection. Then we have completed status or report submission is needed. Then when an inspection is completed, we need to upload an appraisal report. And Then we have reassigned, review of status, or withdrawn status, and there are different types of status like completed. And over here we can see that there is an AMC paid status, which means for this appraisal order AMC has been paid, and then there is a payout, which means that appraisal order will after appraisal order has been completed, after 15 days the appraisal will be paid for this specific appraisal. That will be their service fee, which will be the specific amount. So they will be send a payout manually, and the details will be recorded into the system. If there's any reinspection fee is due, or reinspection fee is required, or any other things like so it will define you the status. And for here example, it says that the service paid was paid on this day and this amount. So that's all for today's video. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that you can even search by the appraisal. Like you can filter out by the name of the particular lender, or the private client, or any of the like order number, the address, name, or anything. You can search it from here. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.